Software testing interview question. What is differences between QA and QC? Answer. Point 1. QA is process oriented while QC is product oriented. Point 2. QA focuses on preventing defect while QC focuses on identifying the defect. Point 3. QA is proactive means it identifies the weaknesses in the processes, while QC is reactive means it identifies the defects and also correct the defects. Point 4. QA does not involve executing the program or code while QC always involves executing the program and code. Point 5. All peoples are responsible for QA who is involved in software development application while testing team is responsible for QC. Point 6. Verification is an example of QA while validation is an example of QC. Point 7. QA done before QC while QC done after QA activity is complete.